Hello and welcome back to another video from La Cueva. Today I'm going to teach you how to change the background of your Y13 smartwatch to custom background. Without further talk, let us go directly to the video. The first thing we need is our watch and our smartphone both charged. And the second step, we go to the notification bar or control panel. We turn on location and we also turn on Bluetooth. If we do not have the name of the application, we go to the camera or an application that can scan a QR code. We find the QR code inside our watch. We will take us to a page that asks if our phone is Android or iOS. In my case, I will download it Android. Google Play Store will open and we click on install. We wait for it to download, and once installed, we continue with the next step. We open the application. On the screen it says user privacy, which is the privacy agreement. We always allow everything to avoid problems. We can create an account inside the application, but if we don't want to, we just select I have read and accept the terms and conditions and enter directly. This saves many steps. I suggest taking a screenshot or writing down the information. Click continue, enter your nickname, gender, date of birth, height, and weight, and then click finish. For example, nickname, watch, gender, male, birthday, 1989, weight, 87 kilograms, height, 2 meters, for example. After this, the system will ask for execution permission. Do not change anything and go back. There will be a notification permission request. Enter the application permissions, allow access and go back, then go to Me section and click Search. Allow the application to access locations and Bluetooth. Give special location permissions. Now we can link the device. In the list, Y13 will appear. Select it and the connection will start automatically. Do not touch anything else. To change the wallpaper, go to Watch Faces. Here we see the current dial, which is our current wallpaper. Go to dial mode and choose another one. It says your balance is insufficient. It means it is paid. We can choose free one and exchange it. The new background will start loading on the watch. There is also the dial and DIY option to use your own image. You can move the time position and change color. For example, make it red. This is how you change the background of your Y13 smartwatch. It is very easy. I hope this tutorial was useful and helpful. If it was, please give us a like, comment, and share this video. Take care and see you in the next one. Bye bye.